Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I've got some great news for all of you that have a Thundermax ECM and one of these wonderful Soundstream radios that displays gauges. Up to this point, you've not had access to display gauges on your radio because your Thundermax ECM did not send out the appropriate information for that. Well, as of yesterday, Thundermax released some software updates for the M8 engines. So whether you have a 2017 to 2020 or 21 to 2024, they actually have two different updates depending on which ECM you have that's going to add 17 different gauges to be displayed inside of the Soundstream radio. Now that means if you have already the HDHU14SI radio, or if you have the new V2 radio, your gauges are now going to work after you get this update from Thundermax. So you definitely want to reach out to them. We'll have a link below in the description that'll link you to them, and you're just going to request this. It's not up on their website yet. They're going to email it to you. They've also told us they are very, very close to releasing an update for the twin cam engine. So if you got a 2014 to 2016, they've not left you out. That's coming very, very soon. These 17 gauge options they've picked, I don't have a list in front of me to read off to you, but they are the most common things that we've been asked for. So it's going to give you things like throttle position sensor, map sensor. You're definitely going to get speed and RPM, engine temperature, EITMS information. There was a big list of them. I don't have them all memorized. We'll try to share that as well in a future post. But the great news is, a year and a half later, they have come up with an update. And I will tell you, Thundermax makes an amazing ECM. It does a great job. And before these radios existed, they really didn't have a need to send that information out. But I'm glad that they've made the change. Soundstream has become such a dominant force in the Harley radio world that it just made sense that the best ECM out there would become compatible with it. So they've done a great job on their end, working hard to produce this information. They worked with Soundstream. They worked with iDataLink. This has been tested. It works. Now the WHD14 Plus, which is a new radio, it does not come out of the box with the ability, that would be this one, it doesn't come straight out of the box with the ability to display gauges, but we have an unlock kit coming soon that'll have an iDataLink Maestro module with it. Once that becomes available, you'll have gauge option on that radio as well. Now it's an add-on part that's coming soon, but it's great to see now that all of the available radios that display gauges will work with your bike, and we're very excited to bring you this information hopefully first and let you know it exists, because if we didn't make these videos, you may not know about it and you wouldn't know to do the update. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like this video. By doing so, it's going to move it up in search results. It's going to allow other people to find it and see that they need to do this update as well. Subscribe to Volunteer Audio for the latest in Harley audio. We're going to tell you when updates come out, when things like this occur that make your purchase even better. But we're also going to show you new products as they're released, how to install them, how to use them, so that you're informed to make the right decision about your purchase the first time. Comment below. Let me know what you think about Thundermax coming out with this. I think it's a great thing. And if you have any questions, comment. I'll be quick to respond to those questions. And if you got questions about adding audio to your Harley and you want to talk about your bike, your build, your budget, give our sales team a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO, or look at all of our available sound packages, our plug-and-play packages with these amazing radios at volunteeraudio.com. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.